Okay, welcome to today's broadcast on the Learning Content Creator. And today we're looking at CapCut. Hope you're doing great. Okay. Today's broadcast on the Learning Content. Good. I hope you're doing great and yeah, riding on the trend of AI and AI multimedia, generative text, generative videos. I see your avatars and all that. So today we're looking at CapCut. I know most people know CapCut for Android and iOS for your smartphone, but not most people don't know CapCut also have a desktop version, which means you can use it on your computer, your laptop, your desktop browser, right? It's not a separate app. It's for web, right? The separate app is what you find in Android and your iPhone. This version is specifically for your desktop, and it's like the pro version for your phone, right? The desktop version of CapCut is like the pro version, CapCut Pro version for your smartphone. So we're going to be looking at that, and let's. Okay, thank you, Mr. Bryce Adam, Mr. Ogunleye Adebayo. Thank you for joining the webinar. Thank you so much. So we're going to be, I'll just share my screen so quickly see what it looks like. Good. Okay. So this is CapCut.com. So this is, you go to your browser, your Chrome browser, and just type in CapCut.com. So it shows you the desktop version of CapCut, and it's rich. It's so rich that when I discover some things it can do, I was like, wow, this is even more than what the phone offers, right? So I'll go through it within the short time we have, then you can explore, but I'll give you major hints on what you can actually do with it. So the first, once you come to the website like this, so what this is what you see, CapCut. So you go to create. Now from the create, I'll tell you the features there so that you can know what to make use of. So the features there, you have video and image and magic tools, right? Under video, you have blank canvas. So if you click on blank canvas, it means it's going to give you a plain sheet for you to, a plain page for you to edit your video. Then you have the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the widescreen. Then you have the 9:16, which is the Instagram, and also the 1:1, which is also Instagram. So these are the video sizes. It's not the particular kind of screen size of a video. That is what it's telling you. Then you have image, customized size, Instagram post. If you have plans to post on Instagram, it has this specific size of picture image you can make use of. Then you have the magic tool here. So the magic tool will go through it all, but I'm not going to create. I'll just show you how the template works so that you can start using it. So quickly, we have the template here. Under the template, you have video and images. Now, the image part of the template, right? It looks like Canva. And we're already used to Canva's template. We're already used to Adobe Spark template. So it's exactly what you see on Canva, but it's free templates that you can make use of for creating flyers, right? So that is why you have your what image template. But I want to make use of the video template so that you know what you can do. Now, if you're going to be creating adverts, ads, and all that, you might need to use any of these video templates, right? So we'll just look at the video templates. And good thing about it, you can type a particular criteria. Maybe you want to create a video template or a video ad for maybe, let's say, courses, right? You want to create a course, right? So just to search from its repository and give you appropriate templates that fit an online course. So let's pick this one, right? An ad. So I'll just minimize it or reduce the sound. So you have, it's a 7 clip, it has text, it's for Instagram. So if you are creating an advert for Instagram or TikTok, the long screen, right, you can use this. I'm not saying it's not going to work for Facebook. It will also work for Facebook Shorts or YouTube Shorts. Let me click on commercialize it. So it's going to take you to the main video editing page of CapCut for desktop. So you can see it. And the good thing about once you it's kind of click and drag. Once you click on any of the items, you can edit it. So all the text here appears here. So you can see all the text here, right, appears on this part of it. So you can, any adjustments I make here, it will show on the text. It will show on the text, right? Then I'll have to, okay, hold on. Okay. So you see the edit I made here is showing here now. So it's updating automatically. Mind you, it's going to work online only. It's going to work online. It's not like it's an offline app because it's a web thing. So it works online only. So you can see here, I can start replacing the visuals of my, let's say I want to replace any of the visuals here. Okay. So let me just use that as a sample. So it looks something like that. Good. So you see the picture is now replaced. The picture is now replaced. And everything can be replaced. All the visuals can be replaced by clicking replace here. And you click replace, it takes you to your folder and you start adding a new picture. So you click on replace, takes you to your folder, picture folder, and let's say, let me use any of these avatars. Welcome, Miriam Suleiman. Thank you for watching. So it goes on. Good. So that is how you can replace all the visuals. When you're done, you click on export. Make sure you replace all the text too. All the text on the advert, you can replace it too by just typing your new content here. Right? Put your phone number here, put your email, put your website, put your brand name here, and anything. This is an online course example of a video ad. So once you're done, you click, and if you are adding videos, you can go to stock video here and search for any video. It will give you any video that you need to impute into your video ad. So you just type in the, maybe want a video of money, right? So it gives you different videos of money. Then if you want photos, it has stock photos that you can work with, backgrounds and all that. So once you're done replacing and re-editing it, because these are templates that are meant to be re-edited, you click on export, change your file name, set your resolution, and if there's anything advanced there, just increase the quality, set the format MP4, and you click export, and you are good to go to download the video ad into your desktop computer or your laptop. Download it, and you are good to go. So you can use it for an ad of your program or of your product, of your course, of your platform. Sorry. Okay. So that's it. Export's done, and this is what it looks like. Sorry, you have to take. So that's it. So you can share it to TikTok, to your Facebook, or you download it straight to your system, and there's no watermark on it. So that's it for video templates, which you can use for art, and it's free. That's it for video templates. Welcome, Mr. Akim Benjamin. Thank you for joining the webinar. So if you want to see the draft you have been doing, working with, or you check your draft, you see the draft of all the projects you've been working with. On start, you see everything together. The video templates, you can create a video, create an image. Like I told you, the image part is like Canva, only that is CapCut. Though Canva, it has some other features that we're already used to, but for CapCut, just gives you loads of templates that you can use to create free flyers. Auto cut, auto script, file share. So these are the video templates, image templates, right? So that's it. So the good thing about it now, we can go to Magic Tools. Magic Tool is where the magic happens. Everything that makes this platform awesome and even supersede Canva is where you find the action happening here. So you have AutoCut. AutoCut automatically creates videos with your media with one click, right? So let's see how AutoCut works. So I just click on it. So we'll go through all the magic tools and see what works. Okay, so you just upload a media file. Let's see. You upload a video. Upload a video. Okay. Okay. You upload a video, right? You can upload several videos, right? So this is like an AI editing for you. You can upload setup. So I'm just uploading one video, 5 seconds video. I click generate and allow. So it asks you allow CapCut to recommend template for that specific video. So what you simply do, you say allow. So it's going to use its AI features to look for the best templates for your video, which is cool. So you don't have to start. Okay, didn't. Maybe the file is too small. Yes, it's about 5 seconds, I guess. The file is too small. Where I see it, you say I should replace it. Okay. Okay, let me just use the default use set material. So let me use the default on the platform. So normally you have several short videos of your ad, right? Set up, and you just click on generate. I guess it doesn't even allow just one. You should have multiple videos for your editing and setup. So quickly. Like I told you, everything is happening online. You need to have internet connection. That is what it's so it gives you examples of video. Then you can use any of the templates here to replace or preview. As quickly. So you have lots of templates, lots of AutoCut video that you can make use of. Once you scroll, you can find it. But if it's for customized projects, it means you have to get your own video ready. You have to get your own several short videos ready. Quickly. So the first stage is upload. The second stage, you view your video to see if it's what you want or it's not working. Okay, good. So once you're done, you can now the only thing here is that it's going to be difficult uh, to make adjustment if you allow it create a template for you. So, okay, let's see. Okay, still processing the material, still processing the material. So that might take time. So we'll go to the next one there while it's processing the material. To go to the next one there. Now the next one is image to image, right? Image to image. So we are used to the Leonardo, the uh, image AI, right? Where you convert your image to avatars and all that. So this CapCut also has that features, image to image. So what you see, and the good thing is you can type in prompt on it. So it's an AI feature, right? Generative image feature, AI feature. So what you simply do is you type your prompt here after you've uploaded your image. So let me upload an image of myself and see what it looks like. Okay, let me, I like this image. Good. So so it gives you examples of prompts: a beautiful girl, Sailor Moon star, right? So let's say uh handsome man, space suit. I don't know, that sounds great. So let me see what it produces as my image. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Oh my god, this is not me. Okay, I guess it gave me an over handsome picture. Now on the, I didn't make any tweak, right? So it can produce one image, two images, three, four images, right? So you can pick from them. So I didn't use the correct prompt, right? Because I didn't use the correct prompt, but I'm just giving you what you can do with the image and how it can also enhance your generative AI skills. Now you have the styles, you have art, you have anime, you have advanced here. Now you can check the prompt word weight scale. All these are just little things you can tweak to make your image perfect, right? So I can select one for it to produce one sample image or two images or three images or four images. So that's where you tweak it. So once you're done, it's showing me surreal. Do I want to select? I prefer cyberpunk. So if I select cyberpunk, it shows here, right? So these are styles of art it can produce. So let me inspiration. Let me see. Okay. So it can also give inspiration of the kind of prompts you can include in your what image to make it unique. Let's see what it gives us. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Okay. Aha. Okay. This is more like the artwork or the cyberpunk. Okay. So that's it. Once you're done, you click on download. It downloads to your it downloads to your device. All right. So you get the idea. Image to image kind of generative AI. Okay. So I'll leave it. I'll leave it. So this webinar is just to check out features on CapCut which we are missing. So we have the normal one, the text to image, the text to image. Good. Now the good thing about it, it gives you examples of prompts, so you can try. You can, if you look at an image here, any of the images, you see that there are prompts here, right? So you can click a cat. This is an image of a cat. So let me say a lion, right? A lion or an African child, right? So you can adjust the prompt so that it gives you a different image of what you really want. So instead of using generating a cat, I'll just generate an African child. Let's see what it looks like in a cyberpunk style. Let's see what it looks like. So this is the popular text to image generative AI. Let's see. Okay. Okay. This is a suit. Anyway, I guess we'll need to mix a lot of tweaks to get the best result. So you can click here to download, and it downloads to your device. Easy peasy. Okay. So leave there. The next thing is add scripts, advert script, which is very important. You want to write an advert and you don't quickly. For example, you have a product. So this is like the same, similar to ChatGPT, but it works on CapCut for helping you create best ads, right? Advert. So let's say my brand is I sell laptops, right? Laptops. And describe my selling point. Okay. What's my laptop? So fast, and slim laptops, right? People like fast and slim laptops. Okay. So I just click on generate. So it automatically generates based on the criteria I set, the laptop and what kind of product is that, fast and slim laptop. So it creates something like this. Tired of being tested by your laptop battery. So it gives you sample scripts. Script 1, script 2, script 3, script 4. So you read through the script and see what worked for you. Are you looking for a laptop that will quickly get the job done? I think Slim Life Fast Up have are covered. Okay, I think I like it. So you can make adjustments to the, okay, 15 hour. Okay, let's say 150K, right? 150K. So good. So I will use this script to generate an ad. So it's now it gives you option to add media to your ad. For example, the first hook, the second hook on that option script 5, right? So it can, let's see if they are okay. Let's see. Okay. So I'll just use previous projects here. Okay. I'll just use it as sample. Forgive me for that. So say that is your laptop. That's just your laptop, right? Okay. So you put your product. This will be your product, right? This will be your first image of your laptop, second image of your laptop, third image of your product. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So you can add more images. You can add as many images as possible. Because it's your product, you definitely have images of it. Now you have a preview of it. Okay, it's also going to create a voiceover for it. Now you can see it also created a subtitle for it so that it shows whatever. Then you can open it on your video editor and make adjustment to it. So that is a very cool way of creating your video ads from the AI scripts generated by CapCut. So you can, here is a normal video editor, so you can create add more text, context to it. So here you can change the text look, change the text font and all that. So you even have the speech to text option here, animation. There you can select the voice here. You can select the voice of your narrator here. Still similar to the voices you find in TikTok Android app. So that's it for ad script. I'll quickly go to of okay, this is our initial video. Then you can just click on export and you can export it to your computer and you download the first advert. Okay, so let's look at remove background. So you can use CapCut to remove backgrounds from images and even from videos. So you just upload it. Let's say this, right? Let's use that dog as an example. Good, right? Okay, it's generating. So you can actually remove background of any video or image on CapCut. You can upscale images. If you have an image that is very small and blurry, you can upscale it and it will be right. You have image style transfer. You can transfer, you can get an image and create an animated scene of that image or an animated background or animated style of that image. Then you have video upscaler to increase the quality of your video or the resolution of your video. You have portrait generator here. You have video resizing here. You have old photo restore. So if you have an old photo, right, that is already black and white and not too clear, you can restore the quality with this. You just click on it, upload the photo, and it will use AI to increase the quality of your picture. I think it also adds colors to it if you request for it during the processing. You have AI color correction. If you have an image and you want to color correct it, you can use CapCut platform. You have video stabilization. If you have a shaky video and you want CapCut to stabilize it so that it doesn't shake again, maybe because of camera shakes, it can be done with this. You just click and upload your video. You have photo colorizer, so you can convert your photos from black and white to colored and color to black and white. Then you have low light image enhancer. Now, if you take a snapshot of a video in a dark place and you really need to make that picture clear and clean and no less grainy, right? Without that noise on the picture, you can use this tool to enhance it. So this is very good. It's a good photography tool to restore your old defective picture, whether they are digital or hard copy, which you can scan and use. Then you have super slow motion. So this actually you upload a video to it and it creates a slow motion version of your video. So that's this little magic tools you can find in CapCut Web. Uh, and I would like you to explore it. Very interesting things you can do with it. Like I told you, it will not work on your smartphone. It only works on your desktop browser, and they are all free. They are all free for you to use anytime, any day. So that is our webinar for today. Sorry, it's very short. This kind of webinar should take up to an hour or more, right? But because of timing and also because I just wanted you to explore possibilities of this new CapCut tool for your video editing and all that. It makes sense to have a webinar that covers everything in a very short time. So let me know what you think about it. If you have questions, you can ask before we call it a day. Before we call it a day. Okay, so have a wonderful day and have a wonderful time ahead.